Clear the way, clear the way, clear the way, make the Lord come true. Clear the way, clear the way, clear the way, make the Lord come true. Every gully I go raise up, and every mountain I go mash down, and every road where twist and turn, them I go straighten out. Every gully I go raise up, and every mountain I go mash down, and every road where twist and turn, them I go straighten out, and everybody see the glory, glory, glory of the Most High. Everybody see the glory, glory, glory of the Most High. Remember, say, a God says so. And if a God says so, I saw it go. Me say, remember, say, a God says so. And if a God says so, I saw it go. Everybody sing glory, glory, glory to the Most High. Come, everybody sing glory, glory, glory to the Most High. Me say, clear the way. Greetings and welcome to reading number 17 from a series of readings from the Jamaican New Testament in memory of my mom, Hyacinth Richards. Today, we're going to read from the Good News as according to Luke chapter 3 from verse 1 to verse 18. A 15-year now Tiberius did a head ruler in a Rome. Him did a Pontius Pilate around Judea, Herod Antipas around Galilee, him brother Philip around Iturea and Trachonitis, and Lysania did around Abilene. Annas and Caiaphas are the leader for the priests them. In at the same time there, John, Zachariah boy picnic, did the inner the desert and get one message from God. In go all around Jordan, I preach to the people them for turn from their sin and get baptized, and God will pardon them for all the wrong way they do. Him Isaiah the prophet did a write about when him say, somebody a shout in the desert, clear the way for the Lord come true. Make the track where him for walk pan straight. Every gully I go raise up, and every mountain and hill I go mash down. Every road where twist and turn I go straighten out, and every track I go smooth out. And everybody I go say, oh God, save people. One heap of people did come for John baptize them. He said to them, say, uno cynic picnic uno. Who want uno for run away from the judgment where come? Do the sitting them where sure say uno really tap sin. And nobody start think to yourself, say uno safe. And say, Abraham, our father. Let me tell you something. God can make picnic for Abraham out of them rock stone ya if he want. Right now the axe there is tree root, and every one of the tree them when now bear good fruit, I got chopped down and burn up in a fire. The crowd asked John, so what will we do then? Him said to them, say, if you have two shots, if you give somebody one, and if you have food, if you do the same thing. Tax collector come to get baptized too. Teacher, they ask John, what we for do? John tell them, no collect no more than way of a collect. Then some soldier asked John, so what about we? What we for do? John answer, no bad up people and take with them money or tell lie upon them forget it neither. Or if satisfied with the pay we no get. Them time there, people did a really look for the one where God has sent to save them. And I wonder in their mind if John are the Christ. So he said to them, me baptize you in a water. But somebody were more important than me I come, and me not even good enough for pull the trap on his slippers. Him we baptize on in the Holy Spirit and fire. Him having fork in his hand, ready for rake up the floor, which part the grain trash out. Him a go gather up the grain and put it in a buttery, but him a go burn the trash in a one fire we can't out. And John used whole heap of other good word to give good news to the people there. I got word this. Thank God. All right. So tell me, see you tomorrow again. Me I beg you know. What good and one love.